What up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you are an Office fan, then you will understand how crazy I am about this hoodie. I just got it in the mail today, got it off Amazon, so pretty stoked. All right, so today I wanted to talk about the top apps that are going to help you kill it on Instagram. So there are 3 in particular that I am referring to, so let's get it, let's go. Alright, so the first app that I'm obsessed with is called Unfold. It is amazing for stories. So if you go to a restaurant and you have a bunch of pictures that you want to share, but you don't want to post 20 or 30 stories, you can use Unfold to create beautiful collages for your stories or for your Instagram posts. It's very easy to use. So there's a variety of different layouts that you can choose from. Some are free and some are paid. It's not terribly expensive. I think it's like $1.29 for some of the different themes. So I'm just gonna choose one of the layouts and choose 2 random pictures that I have on the top of my gallery. So you can change the color of the background, can add stickers, you can also change the text. They offer a lot of customization options. Once you're done with that, you can download it and choose to share it on your Instagram stories or within an actual post on your feed. So you can get really creative and it amps up your Instagram story game tenfold. So obviously, what is Instagram without your editing apps? As you know, I am a huge fan of Snapseed, so I always have my handy dandy Snapseed app available when I'm editing photos for posting on Instagram. I also use Facetune sometimes if I need something whitened or if I have a huge pimple that I just want to get rid of. Tessa also has an app that allows you to kind of mimic her editing style. There's also Lightroom Mobile, which is good as well, or PixArt. So whatever editing app that you find useful, have that ready. All right, so the third app that I wanted to mention is something that I talked about in one of my IG stories. It's called Snow. I use it mainly to edit videos really quick for my Instagram. So it's really simple. Once you import your video, you can add a variety of different effects. So this is a VCR one, and then there's also this one. You can also add a filter on top depending on what type of mood you're feeling that day. You can add music on top of it and it gives you the option to trim your video. You can fast forward it, you can slow it down. Snow also provides picture editing options as well, but I mainly use it for video. So those are my top 3 favorite apps for Instagram. As a bonus, I use AZ Screen Recorder to edit all of my Snapseed editing tutorials. Anytime you need to screen record your phone, that's a really good app for you to use. Alright, that was it. I'm pretty basic when it comes to the apps that I use, but if you have some of your favorites, I would love to know because I'm always discovering new apps. So like this video if you're an Office fan or you're just a fan of my hoodie, and if you want more tutorials like this, comment below if there are other apps that you love. And obviously, if you haven't subscribed, then what is you doing? Make sure to click that bell so you know the when, where, what, how for my upcoming videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Okay, bye.